It's amazing to have reached 80 years. It's a brilliant achievement. It's not come about easily, but with the help and hard work of all our dedicated team, great support from all our suppliers, and of course all the fantastic customers we have. If they're successful, we're successful.
It's absolutely great to see and to meet all the suppliers. It's really good for us as a business to be able to see what they have to offer. It's brilliant to be here.
Since my father came into business and he wasn't a baker, Andrew Ingredients helped my father and point him in the right direction to start the bakery.
We have been with Andrew Ingredients for a very long time. If we ever need anything, no matter how big or how small, they are willing to help there and then.
I think one of the key things for celebrating anniversaries is that it gives you the chance to look backwards before you look forward. So for me, being part of Andrew Ingredients' 80th anniversary is a really special moment. It's good that we're celebrating those milestones together and seeing the other suppliers that are here, and the customer engagement has been absolutely fantastic.
It's almost like a family anniversary for us. We are in a very strong partnership, so we feel very honored and pleased to be able to accompany that journey, at least part of the 80 years. And we're enjoying celebrating the common success and look forward for the next 80 years.
What happens next? Well, we're always looking for new ideas. We're always working on something and looking forward for the next great thing. I would just have to thank all our customers and our suppliers. We have some third generation customers and we have some third generation suppliers, just like ourselves. It's fantastic. I'm very proud of it all.